Yes, so now let's start. Good evening, everyone. My name is Sumi Gurung, and today we are present here to know about a business opportunity. Well, this is not a normal business opportunity, I'd say. Firstly, I'd like to give my introduction. My name is Sumi Gurung, and I'm from Delhi. I'm into this platform from almost like 6-7 months now. My background was completely different. I come from a fashion industry, but now, since 3 years, I've been into network marketing. But now, during the COVID period, last year in 2020, we got this opportunity, this amazing opportunity, I'd like to call it. And it came as a blessing in my life because the income, obviously, the way I wanted and the lifestyle I wanted. And of course, I was looking for a global opportunity. So, I bumped into this opportunity, and today I feel really blessed that I have a team working in different countries, and everybody is earning, everybody is enjoying. So this is a great opportunity for all of us. We will discuss more about this. So basically, before getting it into more detail, we have come here for this business opportunity. So I'd like to introduce this opportunity. This business opportunity, which is a social media platform, which is a $1 trillion industry. This is not a normal network marketing company. So this opportunity, you should take it seriously. First, you have to learn it, of course, to get into it, because this is not a normal network marketing company. So before getting into it, this company which we are talking about, this company is called Vitae. Vitae is a Belgium company, okay, registered under Switzerland, Swiss AG. Okay, so before getting into it, the company, we need to know about the legal part of the company, right? Because until and unless we know the legal part of the company, because there are so many companies coming up, which doesn't even have a base. So before getting into the more details about it, we should get into the legal part, where does the company belong from, and who are the the owner of the company, the management of the company. Those things are very important here. So to explain that, I'd like to share my screen here. So I've already written a Vitae AG Swiss. Okay, this is the name of our company, Vitae AG. So here we see different links, as I've already typed here, and you see different links, but we go to the Money House to check out the management, who all are involved in this company. So when we click this, see there are many websites here. So we should be very particular about a certain website which we show you in the Zoom call, so that you get the proper knowledge about it. All right. So here you see Vitae AG, and here you see the green button. It's active. This company is active. Legal form, the company is limited by shares. Okay. Registration number is CH/170.3.043.803/2. And the sector here is mentioned is data processing and hosting services. So basically, our company Vitae provides services. Okay, so which clearly shows that we are not network marketing company, because people here get really confused, okay, saying that this is also the same concept. This is a network marketing company. This is not a network marketing company, which clearly shows. Now, the age of the company is 1 year. Okay, the capital in CHF is 9.975. And moving below, the address is mentioned here, Banner Foster 16 6300 Zug. Zug is a town in Switzerland where our headquarters is located. Moving below, here you can see the company dossier as PDF and the credit rating information. These all are the companies, you can go out here and check out. You can click each and every link and check out. But moving on to the main point where I'd like to show the contact information, changes in the company, the turnover of the company, the employees, figure, management, ownership, shareholding structure, and other company data. You can check out here. You can click this link and check out each and everything here when the company was updated, the turnover, each and everything. Moving below, about Vitae AG. Now, what is Vitae AG? Vitae AG has its legal headquarters in Zug and is active, which I already told you. It operates in the sector data processing and hosting services. So basically, we provide service like any other social media platform. Now, there are 5 active persons registered in the management. Okay, there are 5 people who are involved here. Now, under notification, you can see all the modifications to the commercial registry entry. The most recent modification was done on 16th of February 2021. Okay. More detailed information, you can click on the notification, you can go into more detail, know about the company. Now, the enterprise identification number of the company Vitae is the following: CHE/190.21615A. Okay, so moving below. Now, basically, we need to check out the management, who all are involved here. So we click here, the view the complete management. Okay. Now here in the complete management, it shows clearly 5 people are involved. One is Jane Mary Bailey, which we have been promoting since yesterday. She is the new CEO of our company. Okay, she's a female and she's a new CEO of our company. If you want to know more, you can check out in LinkedIn. Here, if I click LinkedIn, I go directly to her profile because I've already opened my LinkedIn and kept it. And we go directly to her profile. Okay, so she's the one. Okay, Diane Bailey, and she has another account here, which is basically the company's account here. So you can check out here, Diane B. Bailey, CEO Vitae AG, senior transactional lawyer, corporate governance, cross-border specialist. So of course, she's a very, very experienced lady, and she has newly joined here in our company. And of course, we can see the growth of Vitae related to this. When we check out her profile, we can make out how experienced she is and what level she can take our company. Okay, so again, we move onto the management. Here, Michael Roland Desage, Martin Hood, these 2 persons are the legal advisor of the company, not as a member, but they are the shareholder in the company. They are active partners in the company. Now, the company is so strict. Whenever you register any company in Switzerland, you have to involve lawyers from this place. Okay, that's the reason the legal advisor has been associated with this company, who is a active shareholder of this company. Okay, one lawyer is from Germany and one lawyer is from Switzerland. So you can make out how strong our legal part is. Okay, because 2 advocates are already involved here. Now, Mendel Berzickerman, which we already know, Mendy Zickerman, he is the CCO of a company, and Shrage Posten, he is also the CCO of a company, who handles the IT department. Okay, so these are the main people behind Vitae who are involved, who are the management. So these things are very important to know about the company background. Now, apart from this, the management, one more thing we need to check out is the commercial registration number, the commercial registration of the company. Okay, where we find this in Vitae AG Zug Handle Register. Now, all the branded companies are registered here. The commercial registration website, all the different companies are registered in this website. Okay. Now here we see VTAG ZUG CH170. This is the registration number. Okay. Company here, see, it's clearly mentioned the company VTAG is a stock corporation. The address, Banner Fortress, like the address is mentioned here. It is a commercial registered company. And the company purpose defined by the company itself according to the entry in the commercial register is as follows. Okay, what is the main intention and the main work of the company? Now, establishment, operation, and further development of a communication platform on the internet, which means this is a social media platform. Now, the work of this platform is a communication platform on the net, okay, which is like a normal any other social media platform, like Facebook, Instagram. It is same like that. So it is clearly mentioned here. Now, which offers various online products and additional services as well as conducting financial transactions. Now, this VTAG platform provides online products, which we will discuss later in other slides about the products, what products we have, and additional services which are coming up, and as well as conducting financial transactions. Of course, we get payout in this company, so financial transactions are being done here. Okay. This is the full description of the purpose according to the articles of the association. Okay, so nowhere it is mentioned this is a network marketing company. So these are the main things here. Rest, if you want to go into more detail, the status, commercial registration information, the status is active. Registration was done in 2019. Capital in CHF is 100,000. Seed train, all these things. Okay. So these are the main thing. And one more important thing, let's move back, which I wanted to show you is the domain of the company. So what does this domain of the company, speaks about? The domain, which means this company is not a newborn company during the COVID situation time. This is a very, very old company. It's not very, very old, but yeah, it's an old company which these people, the owners of the company has been working throughout, to launch this company. So how do we check this? Now, who is lookup search? Who is for domain availability and info? It's not only about VTAG. Any other company you want to check out, you want to search, you can type the name here of the company. Now, as I've already, VTAG.co. Now, one more important thing is that, whenever we check these websites, VTAG.co is our official website. All right. So don't type like VTAG.com because something else will pop out. So this is very important. You always type VTAG.co, which is our official website. Now here you get the company's, exact date when the company was launched and when the company was updated, when the company's expiration date is. The domain name here we can see is VTAG.co, right? Registry domain ID is D4044628 3/CO. Okay, the server is GoDaddy.com. Now the most important thing is the creation date, which we need to check here is 31st of January 2013, which shows that this is not a new company which has just popped up. This is a company which was created in 2013. All right. So the company was updated, of course, like in a year or 2 years time, the company updates itself. The updation date is 5th February 2020, which was last year. And the expiry date, the expiration date is 30th January 2025, which means company is here to stay. This company is not here just for a short period of time. And of course, after 2025, they will update it again. All right. So these are the main important 3 links, which I'd say. Rest you can check out more, but be sure that you know which kind of link you're checking, because there are so many fake links coming up, and like, you know, of course you'll get confused because of that. So these are the three important links which you should check out to get the legal you know, part of the company. Okay, so that's the legal part. And moving on, let's move on to the presentation now. Again, I'd like to share my screen. Here. So now we are talking about Vite, which is a social media platform, of course, like we have been always talking about social media. Now, what is social media? Social media platform is the platform which we have been using for almost like, you know, 10, 12, I don't know how many years now. But like Facebook, like Instagram, like LinkedIn, YouTube, this all are social media platform. Okay. So are you ready for the future? Now, what is the future here? What are we talking about? You know, so the future here is a different kind of social media platform, which is not a normal social media platform at all, because this social media platform has a mission. The social media platform has a vision. And of course, it provides business opportunity for every one of us. Okay. And the future here, which we are talking about, is growing global prosperity, which means, you know, growing global prosperity means, you know, to spread happiness globally. How? Not only financially and socially, but also, you know, by bringing a change as a whole in the social media platform. So that's the main concept of Vite, the new age social media platform. Moving ahead, now there are different parts here. Part one I'd be covering, and the rest of the part, one of my business partners, she will cover. So part one, Vite, the idea. Now, what is the idea of Vite basically? Now, as I already told you that Vite is a, you know, Latin word which represents life. Okay, and the idea of Vite is to grow global prosperity, to help everyone become successful. How? Financially, and of course socially, the way we have been using social media. So to bring a change, complete change as a whole in the social media platform. Now, as we have seen, okay, you know, there have been many businesses which has closed down, many big companies, you know, which has closed down during the pandemic time, which means last year, of course, in 2020, and which is like still going on, like, you know, this, it's not the end of the COVID now, still. So now we have seen all the businesses shutting down, you know, big branded companies. Even I was shocked when I went to the mall, like, you know, few months back. There were like certain big brand companies which shut down completely. Now, which shows that, you know, this kind of companies, this kind of brands, you know, it couldn't sustain 1 year of the crisis. Now, what does that mean? You know, why couldn't it sustain? Because you can make out, you know, what kind of a business model they have, right? But at the same time, we saw that there were like, you know, small businesses, home-based businesses, which actually flourished during this time. Okay. And during this time, at the same time, we saw that one more company, one more industry which flourished during this time was the social media platform, right? As we all know, you know, Facebook, which is a giant social media platform. Of course, I'll take it as an example. Facebook revenue, which you know, from 70 US billion dollar, it rose to 1.20 US billion dollar only last year in 2020. So which means, which proves that social media platform, the growth is always rising, right? So now, as we are in a, you know, technological era, technological stuff, we are always you know, in different parts of the world, but we are connected through the internet. We live in an information loaded area. From anywhere we get information, you just need to have a Wi-Fi, and you just need to Google, so we can get all the information about the technology or whatever is happening throughout the world, right? And what I feel is like, you know, if our forefathers, Okay, even they were into businesses and they could build their businesses without internet, right? Without internet, they could build their businesses, and just by having a goodwill or having a good personal relationship with people, they could build their businesses. But now in this era, we have all the technology. The best part is we have a device which is called a mobile phone in our hands. Okay, so that's the only thing we need right now. We need a Wi-Fi, we need internet and a mobile phone to grow our business. Now, when our forefathers, our parents could do so much without internet, why don't we utilize it? I think so we can do more. So it all depends on us, how we take it, how we take this opportunity and this device, it completely depends on us. So the only thing here, grow this business, especially the social media platform, and during this pandemic time, we just need to utilize it the more we can, right? So moving ahead, this is basically the idea of Vijay, to grow global prosperity and to give more opportunity to a maximum number of people. Now, moving on, now when we see the problem, now when Vijay was not launched, or I was not in Vijay, I had no knowledge about the problem, whatever problem we are facing. Recently, when we saw this WhatsApp issues coming up, that time we realized, how important it is, to give access to each and everything, which we do basically. Whatever app we download, we don't even go through the entire detail, and we give access to each and everything. Now, normally we give access to our email IDs and your contact list and everything. But there are certain things which has become a very major concern right now. Now, what is the problem? Let's check out the problem. People are not happy with social media platforms. What does that mean? Same thing which I told you. People, whatever your privacy or data is being sold, the companies, to the big giant companies, advertisement companies. So that's the reason people are bothered now. Now, how is your data is being sold to different companies? For an example, like, most of us use Facebook. So let's take an example of Facebook only. When we check out any website, be it, a garment website, or, whatever kind of website, we check out, and those websites, those same products keeps popping up in your screen, right? So that's how, which means, like, your data has been sold immediately. It's not like, it doesn't take even an hour, or like 2 hours. Immediately, 1 second you check out any kind of website, the same products are being flashed in your screen. It pops out in your screen, in your devices, either your mobile phone or your laptop. Okay, so this is how this social media platform sell your data to this advertisement company. One more thing which is very important is, not only that, they especially, create a profile of you, especially who are users of these websites and all. They create a profile of you, and whatever kind of products or whatever kind of search you do, those kind of search keeps showing up in your screen. So they have all the knowledge, what kind of products attracts you, what kind of products you're looking for, and they create a profile of you. Okay, so that's how it is. And especially because I have been using social media from long time, but I never realized these things, because I keep shopping a lot through these websites. So whenever I check any website, the moment I switch on to Facebook, this kind of products shows up in my screen. Not only that, there are different varieties of it. So which means they have all the information about you, right? So that's one thing, how your data is being sold. And no freedom of speech. So now, as we're talking about Facebook, there is no freedom of speech here. You are being censored. Now, for example, how you're being censored, one of my friend, she is from Europe, and she, wrote something about some topic, okay, which she doesn't even know why she has been censored. So for a month, she was out of Facebook. When she comes after a month, and she says that I was blocked from Facebook, but I don't even know the reason, and I have not been, I didn't get any warning mail or message from the Facebook, but I was censored. So that's the reason if you don't meet up to their criteria, they will censor you for no reason. Okay. So not only that, the president of US was also blocked from Facebook for quite some time. So they can do anything, if it doesn't suit them, they can of course censor you, or they can remove you from Facebook. And they will do it for a while, but if you continue doing that, your account will be blocked from the Facebook completely. So that's how there is no freedom of speech here in any other social media platform. And manipulation of thoughts. Now, through targeted ads. Now, as I already told you, manipulation, how they manipulate with your thoughts, whatever sites you check out, whatever products you check out, they keep showing you more of it, so that you make up your mind, and of course you go through it. Because the moment you check out any website or any link you click in the social media platform, be it in Facebook or in Instagram, they get paid. Your one click pays them. Okay? This is how they make money. And that's how your data is being sold to the social media platform sells your data to these big giant companies, and that's how they mint money, through us. Okay. And one more thing is fake news and information. Now, this is a very common thing, fake news, which has become very common here in Facebook, especially. There are different accounts which hide their identity, and they open the account. And I think so recently, yesterday only, someone from our group, his account was hacked, and a fake account was created, and he started asking money from different people in the messenger. And of course, he later put up in his timeline that my account has been hacked, and somebody has been asking money like this. So these things have become very common here. Now, slander and abuse, which is also very common, we get to see here in this kind of platforms. There is no restrictions here about, how you use your language, or, of course, we have to ignore those things because we have no solution to that. So these are the problems which people are facing, and people are not happy with today's social media platform. Now, let's check out the statistics. These are the genuine statistics. Okay. Now, 91% people think ads are more intrusive than before. Now, what does that mean? Ads are more intrusive than before means advertisements have become more interfering in our life. Now, how? For an example, if you go to YouTube channel, if you want to check out some videos, the first thing which comes up are advertisements, right? There are some advertisements which you can skip, be it a 2-second advertisement or 3-second, 5-second, whatever. But there are certain ads which you cannot skip. You have to go through it, and of course, then only you can check out your stuff which you are looking for. How does it affect you? Of course, when you are focused on something, focus breaks, right? So things have become out of control. Nothing is in control in your hands. This has become a major concern here. 87% think too many ads are in general. Like not only YouTube, but there are sites where you want to check out something, and first you have to go through those ads, and then only you can check out your stuff. So there are advertisements which doesn't even make any sense, but you have no choice. You have to watch that to proceed further. Now, 79% of the people think they are being traced. Now, this is a very interesting thing. Now, how you are being traced, I think so most of you know it, and most of you don't even realize this. Now, when we check in Google, there's a Google timeline which pops up at times. Okay. Now, with Google, our email ID is obviously linked. So what happens, and Google Map, when you open Google Map, you wherever you are, it has been located, right? So there are certain times when Google, in your Google timelines, it pops up that you have traveled this much distance, you have visited this places, and you have visited this restaurant. Not only that, they refer you more interesting places. They refer you more interesting, hotels, restaurants, wherever you have visited. So this shows that you are being traced each and everywhere. Because I travel, I know, In the beginning, I never realized, there were pop-ups coming up in my screen about Google Timeline, but I never realized. But when Mendy sir, kept on repeating these things, I began to realize, that these things are happening. You are actually being traced here. Over 500 million people have ad blockers installed. Now, just because of this reason that you are being traced, advertisements are being popped up in your screen all the time. People are so bothered that 500, you can see the count here, 500 million people have installed the ad blockers just to, be on the safer side. In 2015, companies lost 22 billion US dollar in revenue due to ad blockers. Now, these advertisement companies, they were in loss in 2015 of 22 billion US dollar because of this ad blockers. And the total estimated loss was in 2020 around $35 billion. So you can see here how much people are bothered because of this. Now, again, according to the statistics, 75% don't want companies selling their private data. Of course, 75, I don't know why not 100%. I think so 25% of the people are these companies itself. So here only 75% are mentioned. But these companies, 75% people don't want the companies selling their private data. I'm sure nobody wants their data to be sold out, right? So 54% feel either fed up or frustrated or creeped out by the companies that use the data to serve targeted personalized ads. So basically, we are being used as a product to these companies, right? This social media platform uses us to make money, right? Social media platform uses us, they sell our data to these big giant companies, and both the parties mint money by using us, by making us as a product. And more than 84% have concerns about business monitoring or collecting data from their phone, while 85% worry about location tracking from phones and laptops. It's not a big concern for people who are not into business or who are just using Facebook or using social media platform. But for people like us, who are into businesses and who are doing transaction in our day-to-day life, especially in our day-to-day life, it has become a major concern, right? All the details, are with them. Our details are provided, it's with them and with the advertisement companies. Even to our parents or our family members, they don't know much about us, how much these companies or this social media platform know about our internal things, right? Especially our transaction, our bank details, our each and everything. Where do we move out, or where are we visiting? So these companies, these platforms have all the information about us. Now, 73% of people surveyed would pay more to online services to ensure they don't sell personal data. Now you can see here, this percentage of people, 73% of people who are specially into businesses, they want to pay the online services, who are already paying as well, to ensure that their personal data are not sold out. Okay, which shows that it has become a major, major concern for every one of us. Now, what is the conclusion? Here, above all the above led us to be not social anymore. Now, what does that mean? The social media basically is a place, a system where we can connect to people, where we can connect with family members, where of course, in a way we can, generate leads, where we can do our businesses. But because of these issues which we have discussed right now, this social media platform is not social anymore, for every one of us. Now, moving on to the solution. Now, when we have a problem, anywhere we have a problem, generally in our life or at home or at workplace, we find a solution, right? We are the one, we have to find a solution. Now here, the solution found out is our CCO, our company, the company's owner. These people are the one who has found out a solution for all of us by creating a new social media platform. Now how? Now what does this social media platform, the VJ platform, provides us? First of all, an advertisement-free timeline, which means I'm sure like all of us who have already checked out the new layout, we don't see advertisement anywhere, right? So this platform has created an advertisement-free timeline where our data won't be sold out to these companies. And of course, we will be secure here in this platform. Secondly, freedom of speech is respected. Of course, your freedom of speech is respected here. Apart from your spreading any violence or hatred, rest you can generally whatever you want to put up here, you can put up in this social media platform. As I said, no selling of personal data. Of course, if no advertisement companies are associated or connected with our VJ platform, our personal data is completely secure here. Now, one more important thing, a unique feature limiting the spread of fake news. Now, this is a unique feature which only our VJ platform has. Okay. Now, we will discuss this also in the other slides here in later. Now, this unique feature, it limits the spread of fake news. Why? Because this VJ platform is driven by a community, which means all of us who are the VJ members. Okay, that's the reason the fake news will be limited here. Now, the last and the most important thing is attractive revenue sharing mechanism based on your activities. Now, what does that mean? Of course, it provides opportunity for every one of us from where we can generate income, okay, which depends upon your activities. More activities you do here in this platform, more money, more income you can generate here, okay. This is a kind of a company where the income, whatever the income, it is distributed to the users, basically to all the users as a reward, in the form of reward. So this is the best part of this VJ platform. All right, so that's the solution. Now, who are we solving this for? Okay, now we are solving this for two categories of people. Firstly, every social media user who is uncomfortable and or feels threatened by big tech is our potential customer. Now, of course, like people who are disturbed and worried about selling their privacy, selling their data to these big tech companies, those people, this platform, VJ platform, is for those kind of people. And I think so maximum of the people, they don't want their data to be sold out. So it's for everyone basically. Now, secondly, every social media user who wants to make a living from social media is a potential customer through our state-of-the-art earning model. Now, as we see that, during the COVID time, which is still on, I mean, because here in Delhi, the lockdown has started. Of course, it's the same situation like last year. So there are people who are looking for opportunities, from some home-based work where they can be at home and then they can do their work and, have some kind of income. This platform is for those kind of people who are looking for an opportunity. Especially, I'd like to tell all the females who are attending today's Zoom call, we should, be together as a bond and try to spread it to maximum number of women who are looking for this kind of opportunity. The same thing we have been doing last year, the same thing we have to do this year also. Because, of course, this is a kind of a platform that by being home also we can spread maximum, we can talk to maximum number of people, we can utilize social media to promote this, and we can bring in maximum number of people who wants a second source of income or who basically wants to earn money. So this is the right platform for every one of us. All right, so now ask yourself, how many people will join this new social media platform? So depending upon, whatever we have discussed, the problems, the issues, the solution. Now, according to that, what do you think that how many people will join this new social media platform? And how many people will do so because you shared it with them, right? So it is our duty, it is our responsibility to make this opportunity as simple as possible, without making it too complicated. So these are the problem which we are facing in social media. These are the solution. And if you are looking for an income opportunity, this is the ideal opportunity for you. So don't make it too complicated, make it very simple, maximum number of people. Of course, now, what if you could earn on their activities? Now, what we have been saying always that, whatever activities you do in this platform, you will be paid. So what if those people with whom you referred, according to their activities, you would be paid? So how would you feel? Just ask these three questions to yourself. Now, this is a small video here, moving on to whatever problems we have discussed, whatever the solution, whatever the vision of the future of the company. Here we can see in this video. After this video, my partner, Geeta, she will continue with the rest of the presentation.
Did you know there are billions of people on social media? We at Vitae want to leverage that power. Instead of huge multinationals taking advantage of you, we want to bring it back to you. Once you're invited to our platform, making your way around is easy, and all the while, your privacy is guaranteed. As the Vitae timeline is advertisement-free, you can now focus on valuable content and engaging in exciting discussions. At Vitae, we focus on your reason to be online, connect with fellow members, become an influencer yourself, and be paid for what you already do now. That's right, as a creator of good content, you're rewarded in real monetary value. But that's not all. By creating a strong network, you can also earn from other people's activity. Help us to grow our happy community and strive for financial freedom. Don't let your personal impact go to waste and join the thousands of others creating the first full return social media platform ever. Of course, this creates a lot of opportunities for businesses as well. Are you looking to create corporate relevance through corporate social responsibility? We got you. Redistribute your Vitae earnings or join our charity funds in just a few seconds. Designed from human to human, where people and companies create relationships that drive global prosperity. Are you ready to make a difference for yourself and for the world? Join us now.
Good evening all. So moving on to the presentation, let me have a brief introduction about myself. I'm Geeta Viju from Kerala. I was into this VJ platform 7 months before. And in the earliest stage of joining in VJ, I was not aware of the huge turnover of this wonderful industry, social media industry. Gradually, when I get to know about this industry, I educated myself into this trillion-dollar business generating industry. And gradually, I built a team who also started earning from this wonderful platform. And now I am blessed to be part of this opportunity. And I have a good number of team in 5 different countries. And I'm also earning, and this is entirely really a life-changing opportunity for me a lot. So I'm going to share the screen and continue with the plan presentation. So far we have been discussing about the problems and everything. My business partner Sumi has been detailing it very clearly. So here we are going on to the second part, which is the product. So what is the product here? Here we have So how does this product work? Start with your own registration. That is, with the existing premium members link, you have to start with the registration. What happens when you register yourself? You will be getting one energy boost. Along with that, you will be getting 150 energy points upon registration. So these are the two products referred to here. What happens like when you get registered, VJ will reward you as a gift, a free unit which will be planted in the garden. So garden is the income opportunity which will be detailing in the opportunity part. And again, you will be rewarded when your posts are being shared by others. So what happens like when you register yourself, all these things are happening. You will get rewarded as a free unit which will be planted in the garden. Then you will also be rewarded when somebody shares your post, and you will be rewarded on the activities of those you refer to the platform. Also, you will get rewarded when you refer more people to this platform upon their activities. So how does this work? All this happens after registration. You have to upgrade your account to premium. How is upgradation possible? This is by upgrading yourself for 199.99 credits, which is equal to 1 credit is $1. So $199.99 you have to put and upgrade yourself. This is going to happen every month. And what happens when you upgrade? You will be unlocked to a variety of additional features and benefits. And you will also earn a commission when a referred member upgrades their account. That is, you will also be eligible for a commission when you refer a person and he also upgrades his account. So what is the registration process is detailed here. That is, you have to get a link from an existing premium member, register yourself with the credentials they have been asking, like your name, country, email, your date of birth, whatever things they are asking, just fill it up, and you will be, and your mail ID also. Then you will get a link in your mail ID which you have to verify. After verifying this, you can log into the VJ platform with your mail ID, and you can set a password also. Then after logging into the VJ platform, you have to put a cover photo and a profile photo, and then this one energy boost will be rewarded to you by VJ. Then you have to upgrade your account by $199.99, and you will be a premium member, unlocked to a variety of benefits in the platform. So we have been discussing about energy points and energy boosts. What is energy points and how to acquire energy points? So by completing your registration, you will get one energy boost that is equal to 150 energy points. So only by completing registration in one way you can get 150 energy points. Then you can purchase energy points unlimited. You can also purchase energy points unlimitedly. Again, you can purchase energy boost maximum 20 per day. That is, you have a option of purchasing 20 energy boosts per day. That means along with one energy boost, you'll be getting 150 energy points. So 20 if you purchase energy boost. In that way also you can get 3000 energy points, and also receive them from your sponsor through SharePower. So this SharePower we shall discuss in the later slide detail. So you can also receive energy points from the sponsor also through SharePower. So energy points in detail, how to acquire this energy points. By spending 0.01 credits, that is for 1 cent if you spend, you can get 2 energy points. So why or what is we are purchasing this energy points for? In this current situation, you can use this energy points to like posts. Now we can use our energy points to like posts. In the future, slowly and gradually, which will be adding new additional features for purchasing through these energy points. So that time, if you have sufficient energy points, you can utilize it to purchase or unlock various additional features and much more. When it gradually leads to public launch, so many features will be introduced. So you can unlock variety of features using these energy points. And what energy boosting detail? So you can purchase an energy boost for 60 cents. That is, earlier I said we can purchase maximum 20 energy boosts per day. So for purchasing an energy boost, we have to spend 60 cents. So what happens? Energy boost contains 150 energy points instead of 120. That is, if you spend 60 cents and purchase energy points, you will get only 120. But if you spend that amount and purchase one energy boost, you will be getting 30 energy points more. So it is always better to opt for purchasing energy boost as a whole. And upon registration, VJ will also reward you with energy boost. So you will get energy boost upon your registration also. What is the bonus in this energy boost? Every time an energy boost is purchased, VJ will plant a unit in the garden. So we have been told like you can purchase maximum 20 energy boosts per day. So why we are purchasing it for, and what is the bonus here if we purchase it? Every time we purchase this energy boost, Vijay will plant a unit in the garden. So all these energy boosts will be planted as a unit in the garden. And Vijay will also plant a unit for every new registered member. For every new registered member, Vijay will be planting a unit in the garden. So in the solution part, we have been discussing about a unique feature limiting the spread of fake news through self-regulated community. So this unique feature is the share power. So what happens like in current social media platforms, when we share any post, we are not getting benefited. So just because that we are not also paying anything to share the post and getting anything back, we are just spreading from fake IDs. People are just spreading misinformations because nothing is going from their hand. So they are just sharing whatever they won't check for the genuinity of the post and they just share it frequently. So what happens like fake news are spreading like fire in current social media. They are not checking the genuinity because these fake news are spread through fake IDs. But this is not going to happen in our social media platform VT. That is, in our platform, if you want to share any post, you have to pay 10 cents from your pocket. That is why this has been introduced for. This has two motives. One for income sharing and one for limiting the spread of fake news. You won't share any post which is not a genuine one. By spending your cents from your pocket, you won't be sharing any fake news. That is the one reason. And second, if ever you spend something from your pocket, you are also going to earn from this because you will be only sharing genuine posts which are going to be viral. So in that way, you're also going to earn an income. So what happens when a post is shared by deducting 10 cents? Every 10 cents or 10 credits will be divided into 5. The creator of the post will always receive 0.02 credits of 2 cents. What happens like every time the credits is deducted, it will be divided into 5 and always the creator will receive a portion that is 2 cents and the 4 remaining 2 cents will be distributed as follows. Here, Linda, who is a premium member, she introduces John, who introduces Tina, and Martin introduces Ernest. Here, the 5th person who has been introduced to this platform, he's a wonderful writer. He writes good posts, articles. He's a blogger. He writes, he puts good videos, everything. So he treats this platform as a good base for exposing his all talents and he can also get an income. So what happens like Ernest puts good articles in his timeline. Mary, who is a friend of Ernest, who sees his post, she knows his potential and she shares his post. What happens when Mary shares Ernest's post? 10 cents is deducted from Mary and it's being distributed into 5 as follows. 1 portion to the creator, 1 to Martin, Tina, Josh, and Linda, because they are the immediate 4 uplines of Ernest. Again, Mary's post is being liked by Dimitri, another friend of Mary. So Dimitri feels like this is a good post which, if shared, he can also get an income in the future. So what happens? Dimitri also spends 10 cents from his pocket and it is being distributed here. Just because Dimitri shared it from Mary, Mary gets a portion of the income. Creator always gets, Martin gets, Tina gets, and Josh gets. Here, Linda is out of the income scope. Again, Dimitri's post is being shared by Mark by spending 10 cents. And again, it is distributed just because from Dimitri it is being shared. Dimitri gets a share of 2 cents. Mary again gets, Creator gets, Martin gets, and Tina gets here. Josh gone out of the income scope. Then this post is going viral and so many people are sharing it, like Tani shared, Gustavo shared, and Gustavo shared by spending 10 cents. And what happens, like Tani also receives a portion, Mark receives a portion, Dimitri, Mary, and Creator also receives always. Here, Martin, Tina, Josh, and Linda, everyone has gone out of the income scope. So immediate 4 people from whom it is being shared gets the benefit apart from the creator. Then again, what happens, like Berry shares, from Berry, Melin shares, this is going viral, and Melin spends 10 cents from her pocket, and then what happens? Berry gets a portion, Gustavo, Cheney, Mark, and here Ernest also gets. Every time, what is the wonderful part here is, if you are a good content creator, whenever your post is being shared, you are always eligible for one portion. So this is not going to be a small amount. This is going to be an income for lifelong, because if you put a genuine content or a good content, and if it is going to be a viral, this means your income is going to a high level every time it is being shared. That is, it's a lifetime income you are going to get. So this is the share power, and it is being detailed how the income is you are getting here divided. So the power of sharing. Every credit earned when a post is being shared is divided into 2. So whatever income you get from the share power is just divided into 50% into credits account and 50% into share power account. That is, if you receive 2 cents, 1 cent to the credit wallet and 1 cent to the share power wallet. So the share power can be used to donate energy boost to direct referrals once accumulated 60 cents share power. That is, if your share power accumulates to 60 cents, which is equal to the purchasing of 1 energy boost, then you can donate this energy boost to your direct referral. So I'm also getting this share power account, and when my account is being accumulated to 60 cents, I also donated this to my first direct referral. So what happens? The share power giving is receiving. What happens when you sponsor 1 energy boost? The direct referral receiving the energy boost will get 150 energy points also, and which he will also plant 1 unit in the garden for the direct referral. What happens? This sponsored energy boost, which he will plant a unit in the garden for the direct referral, and also the units will be planted in the garden of the sponsor. So this is the power of share power. So the next part is the opportunity part, which is the wonderful income earning part. Here we have 2 different opportunities, that is garden and the purpose. So what is garden? The garden is a state-of-the-art algorithm that calculates the commissions VDA pays out to the members for their activities. That is, whatever activities the members do in the platform, calculate upon an algorithm-based calculation, VDA pays out to the members. Let's see how the garden works. So this is the garden. When you register yourself in this platform, your garden starts from there. This is your garden, and how it is being filled. The units are being planted from left to right in a balanced way. Here, you can't just put the units whatever way you like, because this is an algorithm-based calculation, and it is being planted only from left to right in a balanced way. So this system-driven garden sunroof. So what happens when you register yourself, and when you when you come with 5 people, they also register your in this platform. What happens like this will be planted in your garden like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What happens if the first person upgrades? He will get 5 energy boosts, which will be equally distributed from left to right, like 1 to the first person, 2 to the second person, 3 to the third person, 4 to the fourth person, and 5th to the 5th person. What happens when the second person upgrades? Again, this happens like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here, you have to be little smart in this garden. That is, 30% you will be getting from your support from your direct referral and 70% from your upline support. How? That is, when you come with at least 5 active partners. They also have to purchase good amount of energy boost along with you. So what happens like always the gardens follows the sponsor. So if you in your garden, your direct referrals garden units will be filled. Your garden energy boost will be filled upon the expansion of the network. So what happens if everyone is purchasing the energy boost? There is a great chance of your garden to be filled very easily because garden always expands with the network. So you have to play little smart and come with at least 5 members. Ask them also to purchase energy boost and actively along with you. Then your energy, this garden sunburst will be filled automatically from left to right in a speedy way. So this garden sunburst is a 5 into 5 level sunburst and it is being filled from left to right in a balanced way like this. So every unit is planted in the garden of their sponsor, as I have told. So if you check into the left hand bottom of the corner, you can see a tab detailing garden and sponsor commission for each levels. I told like this is a 5 into 5 level sunburst. For the first level, 12 garden commission, 12 cent garden commission and 1 cent sponsor commission. And the second level, 4 cent garden commission and the 1 cent sponsor commission. And the third level, 4 cent, 1 cent, and fourth level 9 and 1, and fifth level 9 and 3. So what is like this? Here, when your energy boost passes through each level, the payment is occurring instantly. That is, if your energy boost is just crossing first level, then whatever the commission here in the garden and the sponsor, both are being paid out to you instantly. This is not occurring on a later date. This is occurring instantly. So, and the garden is filled by expanding your network, as I have already told. A full garden 5 into 5 accumulates. These all commissions altogether amounts to 344.10 credits. That is $344.10 in. This is the garden commission you are receiving when this sunburst is filled. What happens? Every 344.10 credits earned in the garden accumulates 101.50 credits commission to the sponsor. So here, all the sponsor commission when passes through each level accumulates to the sponsor 101.50 credits. So in the earlier in the share power part, we have been discussing like when your share power accumulates 60 cents, so it amounts to 1 energy boost, and you can just sponsor it to your direct referral. What happens in that from that energy boost also? Just because you have sponsored, just because you have given to a direct referral, you are the sponsor of that energy boost, and as a sponsor, you will be getting a sponsor commission of 101.50. So this is a very, very vast income opportunity part. So here you have to educate your entire team, because in this beta phase itself, you can gather maximum amount of energy boost. So in here also we have a good team of members, but most are not aware of the value of this energy boost. They are just getting whatever credits they are getting, they are converting into VJ only. But wise people, they are investing more in purchasing this energy boost. Why? Because this energy boost is going to give them in future, in after public launch, for all those who have a good amount of energy boost, they are going to get a big amount after the public launch. So educate yourself and educate your team the value of energy boost and start purchasing energy boost here, because after public launch you may not be getting this opportunity of purchasing energy boost as a bunch as you have now. So act smartly, think wisely, and educate yourself and your team and gather maximum energy boost. So the next income opportunity is the purpose. The purpose is also a state-of-the-art algorithm that calculates the commissions BT pays out to the members for their upgraded activities. While Garden is just filled with energy boost, here the purpose is going to be filled with the premium members, and the income is coming out based on their upgradation activities. Let's see how. This is your purpose. When you register yourself and upgrade with $199.99, your purpose starts from there. What happens? Like Garden also, as well, from left to right in a balanced way, these premium members are being filled in the purpose. Here, when you come to the platform, you come with 3 people, because this is a 3 into 8 level sunburst. So here 3, 9, 27, 81, and it goes on deeply into 8 levels, and it is being filled from left to right automatically. So when you come, your first level is being filled like this. You sponsor 3 members, then what happens? 1, 2, 3. It is automatically filled from left to right. What happens when you refer a 4th person to the platform? It will be coming under the first person only. If you sponsor a 5th person, he will be coming under the 2nd person, and the 6th person, it will be coming under the 3rd person. What is like? This is automatically filling mechanism. So you can't place anything like I'm going to put him in the 4th level or 3rd level or 1st level. This is not going to happen. So here, you have to be smart enough in this purpose. When you start your business, come with 3 active premium members who are going to change your purpose to a great level, because the first 3 persons who are going to involved in your business, they are going to lead your purpose to a great level. So if you're just imagine if you're bringing 3 members who are not going to be so much active, what happens? Your first level is getting inactive easily, and you have to work more, put more pressure in bringing so many persons, and of course you have to, the more you bring, you will be getting benefited from the sponsor commission. But still, if you act smart and bring 3 active partners better, who are working better than you, that will be a benefit for you, and your purpose will be moving wisely. So what happens? If these 3 persons are active, they will move the purpose to the great level, like filling from left to right. So here you have to put maximum energy, act smartly, bring people, active people into the platform, because in this beta phase, you have to maximum cover up your at least 6 levels. Why? Because when this goes to be public, free members will also be joining with your premium. Whoever is joining with your premium link, they will also be getting placed in your unfilled part. So wherever there is a gap, they will be getting filled automatically. So what happens? Free members may not be having the idea or education of upgrading. So if we have to put more effort to educate them. So we are not sure, because the pass will be upgrading like us. So the best part is to do is like in the beta phase itself, maximum act with active premium members and fill at least 6 levels, because these 6 levels you are going to get maximum income. And if all these are active, then what happens? Like you will be getting more income in the beta phase itself, and it will be continuing after public launch, and you can receive monthly all this amount from this purpose sunburst. So this is the purpose sunburst from 3 into 8 level. So what happens every time someone upgrades, a commission is being paid out to the sponsor or sponsors. That is, here based on the upgradation of the premium members, we are getting the commission. So in the tab below, for each level, commissions is being fixed like first level 67, second level 15, third level 1, fourth level 25, fifth level 26, sixth level 2, seventh level 2.25, and eighth level 3.25. Along with that, sponsor commission is also mentioned. What happens here also, like Garden, the payout is being carried out instantly. That is, if a premium member upgrades in your first level, then $67 will be instantly credited to your wallet. If it happens, if your sponsor is in the fourth level, what happens if he upgrades? You will be receiving the sponsor commission, what is given in the fourth level, and also you will be receiving. So whatever thing here is happening is paid out instantly, and the purpose obviously grows by expanding your network. So when you expand your network, the purpose will be easily filled. So make sure bring active people and maximum fill your purpose with at least up to 6 levels in the beta phase itself, so that you can enjoy the wonderful income lifelong. And every time someone updates, what happens in the purpose, as I told, a full purpose 3 into 8 accumulates 36,408 credits. So all these purpose commissions amounts to $36,408. So see, the wonderful income you are going to get from the purpose. So you have to act smartly to bring active members. And for every 36,408 credits earned in the purpose, it accumulates a sponsor commission of 16,425.21. So if you are bringing one person, you are going to earn a sponsor commission 16,425.21 from his purpose alone. So just imagine if you are bringing 5, 10 or more sponsors into the platform. So how big you are going to get. And in addition, what happens when someone updates, what happens like in addition, 5 energy boosts you will also receive. Along with that, you will be receiving 750 energy points on every upgrade. And what happens here, Vijay will also plant all these 5 units in the garden. Whatever you are, because every month if you are upgrading, you will be getting 5 energy boosts, and these 5 energy boosts will be planted in the garden. So RRS, the residual retention system. Like RRS residual retention, it is like an agreement. That is, when you are upgrading in the as a premium member, this is an agreement like you are a premium member now and you are eligible for purpose commission, garden commission, everything you are going to earn. And unless and otherwise you are not inactive. That is, RRS, once you upgrade as a premium member, RRS is getting activated and it lasts for a lifetime. That is, whatever income you are getting first from this, the first 199.99 credits will be reserved for your next monthly upgrade. So once you register and upgrade, then you don't have to worry because the RRS will be activated automatically. And you just have to concentrate on your work, and whatever income you are getting will be reserved for your next upgrade, and it happens automatically. And RRS automatically upgrades your account when your current upgrade expires, and as per the RRS activation, what happens? The respected commission is being paid out instantly. So as long as RRS is active, it is sure that your respected commission is being paid out instantly. And this RRS is eternal and can't be deactivated. We can't deactivate it unless we have enough credit. There are no enough credits to activate the RRS. So what happens if there is no enough credits? Your upgradation is not going to happen and you are going to be inactive. So such an inactive expired member, what he is going to get? He's only eligible for sponsor commissions. He won't get the purpose commissions. He just gets the sponsor commission. Once enough credits accumulates in the balance, then the RRS again activates automatically. It upgrades your account and you will be eligible for the purpose commissions. So this is the RRS system. So moving on to the fourth part, VJ the token. Why VJ here token? Here VJ token is introduced as a utility or hybrid token with a purpose. So what does it mean? Because this is an international opportunity and we are dealing with people from different countries having different currencies. In order to make a unique payment gateway, this VT token has been introduced. And this is, of course, an open source cryptocurrency listed in the coin market in 2018. And it's a community driven, it's our VT community driven token. It's trustless transaction. That is, you don't have to go to bank or like you have to get an account in a genuine exchange. Then you can just convert the whatever credits you have in the platform to VT, and you can convert this VT to the exchange, and then you can convert VT to the whatever currency you like. So it's a fast transaction. That is, in India we are having bit-to-bit transaction, bit-to-bit exchange and Coinbazar. So through this we can convert VT to INR. Like that, everybody can convert VT to their corresponding currencies using these platforms, whatever exchanges you have. So whatever thing here is these transactions are very fast. That is, you can do it anywhere you want, anytime you want, like early morning or night or whatever time you want, and it will be automatically credited if you have a bank account linked to that exchange. And it is accepted worldwide token with low transaction cost, and it is a decentralized one. So what do you mean by decentralized? That means your VT wallet has a unique wallet ID. That means you are the owner of your VT, whatever VT you are having. So it is not any company's owner. Any company is not an owner of your VT. Whatever VT you are having, it is only for you. So that is the VT token here. Then moving on to the fifth part, that is the most important part, VT, the vision. So what is the vision of VT? Vision is growing global prosperity. So Mendy used to say in his every meeting, like, the most important part and the most important thing he likes is the vision. So every company, if you look in back the history of every company, they have a vision, because every company will be designed for having some vision in their mind. Here, Mendy has some vision, and for that only he created VT. So what is that? VT believes to have the chance and opportunity of our lifetime to make a great change in social media as a whole. That is, VT is going to make a great change in the social media history as a whole. So VT is not going to be here for a day or two or for a 1 year or two. It is going to be a lifetime. It is going to be a lifetime opportunity for all, and it is going to make a great change in the social media history as a whole. Being a social media platform for the people who seek freedom of speech, privacy of data, and being customers rather than products being sold to advertisers. That is, in the solution part itself, we have been discussed in detail. That is, we are giving a social media platform where the people seek freedom of speech, their privacy is respected, and they are treated as what you are. That is, I am treated as what I am. I am not treated as a product for an advertising company. So the vision is a social media platform for the people. This is the most important part. That is, where the people get to earn on their valuable content and be rewarded for their activities. This is not happening nowadays, social media. So VT has come with such a platform where the people can earn on their valuable content and be rewarded for this activity. That is, this is a reward platform, and a platform where the people are being respected rather than being censored or manipulated. You are not just censored for what you are talking or manipulating. You are just given freedom unless you behave properly, because in this platform also you should show some respect to our Mendy, because he has given, if you want to do rubbish or something like that, you can leave out of VT and join other social medias, because that is happening common nowadays. But in VT, we have a vision in common. We have a vision of growing global prosperity, and we have a vision of developing an unique social media platform. So as a premium member in VT, you have to behave decently, and you have to post good contents, and at least value the vision of our great CCO Mendy. So to achieve this growing global prosperity vision, what we need is, we need you to join our journey and spread the word to everyone you know. Because just because you join the VT platform, you are earning handsome of rewards like you are getting from Purpose Garden and you are happy. That is not enough. Why we have been invited as premium members? Menti wants all of us to share and spread the vision of VTA to the entire world. So we have to be the visionaries to spread the value of VTA, the vision of VTA to the entire world and to everyone you know. Because as a premium member, you have some responsibility. You have to take the vision of VTA into your heart and wholeheartedly work to spread this vision. So this is not Mendy's vision. As you have, when you are associated with VTA, it is going to be your vision, and you take this vision as your vision and spread it to the entire world and whoever you know. We need, for this, what is the main thing is, we need you to believe that you can make a difference. First, you have to make the belief that you are going to make a difference by spreading this vision to the entire world, and that you believe what you add to this post matters. That is, whatever you are going to do for spreading this greater vision, it matters. That is, you have to believe first that you are going to become a great cause for this wonderful vision. So ask yourself, what would the world look like when this vision is accomplished? Just think after 2, 3, or 5 years, when this public launch happens and the vision is being accomplished, everyone is going to earn from this platform. Everyone's data is secured. Advertisement free timeline is offered. People are very happy to use this VTA platform. Then your value is just increased, that because the entire world will be looking you, because just because of you only this vision has been accomplished, because you share this vision to the maximum people you know, and what the entire world looks at you, and you will feel very proud because you have been in the beta phase sharing this opportunity to the entire world. And what if you made that difference? That is, you just imagine you have been a cause for this wonderful vision to be getting accomplished. So you will be very proud now. As far as I am concerned, I'll be very proud, and I'm looking for that day when this vision is being accomplished and I am just getting my head up and saying that I am the visionary of VTA. So how would you feel when you know that because of your dedication to this great cause and mission, you made that difference in the world to make it a greater place and grow global prosperity? That is, what will you feel like? Because of you, because of your effort, your team effort, because of your entire VTA family effort, this mission has been accomplished, and you have been a cause for the difference in the world to make it a greater place and grow global prosperity. So that will be like a great feeling for all of us. So what we want from you is join us today and help us make social media a platform for the people. This social media is going to be a platform for the people. This is not going to exploit us and earn, because this is a platform for us, because we are VTA. So that's all for today's presentation from my part. And again, I think Sumi is not. Sumi, can you hear me?
Yeah, Geeta, you just wind up. Actually, there's so much problem here. There's no electricity and all. That's the reason I got pumped off. All right. Okay. So please wind up.
Okay, then, no problem. So thank you all for attending this great session. So we have few more days for the public launch to happen. So as a premium member, we have so much duty to do to spread this VTA to whoever people we know. First of all, you have to have a belief that you are going to make a great difference in the world along with this VTA entire management. So thank you all and have a great day. And we shall meet you in another great session tomorrow and bye-bye. Take care.